Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the personalized post suggestions on the notifications settings on your TikTok account easy and quickly. So first enter TikTok, then click on your profile section, then go to these three lines and go to the settings and privacy, and then go to the notifications, and here we have the personalized post suggestions. So you have to manage this as you want, so posts from people you might know or reposted by others or posts you might like. So this is up to you. Turn this whatever you want on. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.